kule o, aku ọdún o. It is my greatest privilege to be in front of you today as the president of Yoruba Heritage and Cultural Association of Victoria. Before I start with my welcome speech, I would like to recognize the traditional owner of the land where we gather here today and pay my respect to all the elders, past and present. Not only that, I would like to pay my respect to all the Yoruba elders in the room today. Your Excellency, the Nigerian Ambassador to Australia, ably represented by Ms. Remy Martin, the Mayor of Marybeck City Council, Councillor Mark Riley, VMC Deputy Chair, Mr. Buete, VMC Commissioner, our very own Princess, Mrs. Abiola Akibiyi, the CEO of Ethnic Community Council of Victoria, Mr. Emiliano Suchi, the President of Africa Day Australia, Mrs. Sheila Sibanda, the President of Nigerian Society of Victoria, my very own sister, Dr. Remy Yusuf, the President of Igbo Association of Victoria, Mr. Elvis Nwanchukwu, the President of Edo Club of Victoria, Mr. Peter Imalenuwa, the President of Nigerian Senior Citizens, Àwọn Agbawa, Mrs. Ayo Digie, and my very own in-laws, the President of Ibadan Progressive Union. I recognize you, Mr. Toku, and my very own home, the President of Ekiti Association of Victoria, Dr. Balogun. And I also like to recognize the presence of all other dignitaries in the room. If I didn't mention your name or I didn't recognize your official title, please permit me. All other protocols observed. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you most cordially to our flagship annual community event, Yoruba Day Festival. The last time we had the privilege to gather in this large number to celebrate as a community was over 2 years ago. This year, we are celebrating our annual Yoruba Day Festival with the theme Igbelaruge Ini Yoruba, which could be interpreted literally as celebrating Yoruba heritage. Heritage is the full range of our inherited traditions, monuments, objects, and culture. Most important, it is a range of contemporary activities, meanings, and behavior that we all draw from. Cultural heritage has the potential to promote access to the enjoyment of cultural diversity. It can also enrich social capital and create a sense of individual and collective belongings, which helps to maintain social and territorial cohesion. The heritage doesn't consist of money or property, but of culture, values, and tradition. Cultural heritage implies a shared bond, our belongings to a community. It represents our history and our identity, our bond to the past, to our present, and the future. As we are celebrating the Yoruba cultural heritage, it is necessary that I start with some discussion on the people we are talking about. The Yoruba are one of the most prominent ethnic groups in West Africa. The Yoruba country spreads a vast territory from the present Edo state of Nigeria across the Republic of Benin and Togo, Some Yoruba groups are also found in such places as Sierra Leone, Gambia, Ghana, Mali, Burkina Faso, and across the Atlantic as far as the Caribbean and the Americas, especially the Brazil, the Cuba, and even Argentina. According to the estimations, Yoruba have a population of over 40 million people worldwide. They are made up of a number of sub-ethnic groups in Nigeria. This includes the Ife, the Oyo, the Ibarapa, the Ijesha, the Igbomina, the Egba, the Egbado, the Awori, the Egun, Ijebu, Ekiti, Ilaje, Ikale, Owo, Akoko, Ondo, Yaga, etc. In Benin and Togo, we have the Idasa, Ajase, Ketu, Sade, and Anago. As the major Yoruba sub-ethnic groups in Brazil and Cuba, the major subgroups are known as Nago and Lusumi respectively. The Yoruba speak a standard Yoruba language that is mutually intelligible to all the subgroups. Our music, culture, food, clothes, dance has been transported to many parts of the world. We are great people, we are proud people, and we are Yorubas. Thank you everyone for coming here today. I thank all the member of the Yoruba Planning Committee. They did a great job putting this event together. Most importantly, I need to specially thank our youth. I was so amazed they took the mantle of leadership in planning this event. I'll have the privilege to tell you that the chairperson for the Yoruba Planning Day is actually one of the youths. And they did a fantastic job. So please put your hands together for our youth in the room today. They had the leaders of this group tomorrow. When we are gone, when we are tired and we can continue to run up and down, we were so proud and we're so comfortable that this Yoruba heritage is not going to die in our time. They've shown us that they are ready and they are willing to move. Thank you so much. I wish that we have a fantastic day today. We have so much fun. So please, we need your attention and we hope you all have a great fun today. Thank you.